Okay, hello everyone, this is Gavin Birchall here. Welcome to today's bonus vault video, Incognito. Now, before we crack on with showing you the bonuses, I do want to say, before you do anything else, do not spend any more time building pages and all that other nonsense. The only thing that you need to get good at is finding a traffic source that you like and get good at driving traffic. My mentor taught me this years ago. I absolutely drove him insane because I just couldn't get my head around getting good at traffic, spending a lot of the time and getting good at driving traffic, and then not being able to have an offer to put in front of that traffic. But it was great advice. I'm glad I did it, and I hope you listen to this advice too. So inside Incognito, I've gone through it with a fine-tooth comb, and the traffic method inside does work. That's why I've chose to add some bonuses and go out of my way basically to build this page for you today and offer these bonuses on top. So here's the bonuses. What I've done, I've carefully selected them. So you got traffic bonuses in here, case studies. So basically what I understand is that inside Incognito, not all of you will want to do the traffic that Palab teaches. So what I've done, I've thrown in Bing Ads Mastery Training, some Facebook traffic training, YouTube and Instagram. And there's some courses in here. Everything in here is within the last month or 2 months. So you know it's up to date and the methods are basically working. So the bonus number 10 is particularly good that I want you to see. Software biz in a box. So you've got 3 softwares that you can sell there. Obviously, what you can do is grab some PLR software, build your list, and then the list that you're building is into software, and then you can sell them these 3 softwares. So total value 1,770. You can basically click this button here to go through to Incognito today. It's only just come out today, so you're in good time. Again, there's another button you can click, and you can click here to go through to that as well. So yeah, I've seen a lot of people selling stuff and pushing stuff that basically has you spending 6 to 12 months building pages. And yeah, why spend 6 to 12 months doing something and then not having a damn bloody clue how you're going to get your visitor to your offer page? So building a list is important, but if you don't know how to drive traffic, what's the point? So that's basically what I've done today. I've given you all the traffic that you need to get going with Incognito. Like I say, Incognito, it's a method that is obviously working. I've used the traffic method before and it works well. I still use it now. And it is a good course and I do highly recommend it, that you do at least check it out. It's not the best thing ever, nothing is. But Palab, and I know Palab personally does a good job. So check out the bonus. Obviously, scroll down this page, what you're on now. Check out the bonuses. Go over them first. Make sure that the traffic methods are something that you may enjoy. I don't want you coming back to me angry and everything. Oh, finally, how to claim these bonuses. Basically, just grab Incognito today through these links and then email me your proof of purchase receipt, GCB Marketing Solutions, contact us at gmail.com. I'll leave that in the email actually, so the email that you've clicked the link to come to this page, that'll be in there anyway. So yeah, another quick warning just before I go, I can't give too many of these bonuses away, it just decreases the value, so I'm only opening this till midnight tonight, but if I do get a few of you emailing me, then obviously I'll leave it open for you. So yeah, that is that. Some fantastic little bonuses there. So go and check them out. Any questions, let me know. Like I say, all the courses and everything are within a month to 2 months old, so they're recent and they work. And there's plenty of traffic sources that will help you with Incognito as well, help you push forward. speed up your results. So again, thanks for watching, and hope you enjoyed the video, and hopefully I'll see you on the inside soon. Take care, and I'll see you later.